Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.82 trillion. Down 4.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, Btc Dominance is currently sitting at 40.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see in the last 24 hours, we have seen quite a bit of a red across the board in the markets. As you guys may know, we did see a beautiful bounce back towards the upside over the past couple of days. But again, guys, it was a clear fake out towards the upside. So you want to watch this video till the absolute end if you are an altcoin holder or a crypto holder in general. So as I mentioned, the entire market, especially in the last 24 hours, is down quite a bit. Majority of the altcoins down double digits. But yeah, today, guys, I want to cover none other than Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the price of Vechain right now, we are currently trading at 0.048 cents, down 6.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is still above that $3 billion mark, currently sitting at $3.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $347.9 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, just the last year alone, now we are down 3.1% if we are comparing the 1 year chart, but in the last 7 days, Vechain is up 1.9%. So not much going on within the price itself, but as an ecosystem itself, they've been growing and growing as time goes by, and the overall growth for the project Vechain itself has not stopped. Obviously, the price action has not showed that, and I have mentioned that in my channel before as to why we have not seen that happen, because I do believe some altcoins did shine and get more hype than Vechain, which is obviously unfortunate, but the time is definitely going to come. And before we jump into the charts and all that good stuff, I just want to say to you guys that this video is brought to you by Crypto.com. If you don't know what Crypto.com is, it's the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can join up to 10 million plus users buying and selling 250 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. One thing I love about this app is that it's a one-stop shop. It is available to be downloaded on the App Store if you have an Apple device, and it's also available to be downloaded on the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. You can literally do everything. It's a one-stop shop. As I have mentioned, you can turn your fiat to crypto. You can buy majority of the cryptos that you like on this app, and not only that, you can stake that on this app and earn passive income. And my favorite thing about this app is that you can use the Crypto.com Visa card and load it up and use this card anywhere Visa is accepted. So you can enjoy up to 8% back on all spending with your sleek pure metal cards. No annual fees. Top up with fiat or crypto. Check it out, guys. Hit the link in the description box below. I'm sure you guys will love it. But now let's get right into the charts and see what's going on and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, guys, you guys can see this is the price of Bitcoin right now. This is the wrong chart we have pulled up. Let me bring out the Vechain chart real quick and we will get right into it. So as you guys can see, Vechain is currently trading still sideways within this range below the 78.6 fib level. We did manage to try to break out of that fib level just, a week ago, as you guys can see, just a couple of weeks ago, but we, got definitely rejected from that point. This time around, we did see a spike up to that 5.6 cents mark, but have seen a pullback since the price of Bitcoin has seen a consolidation. Now comes the question, what is going to happen? A lot of people are wondering, is Vechain going back down to that 4 cents price that we saw just not too long ago, or are we going to head above the 78.6 and start heading towards this level of resistance that is very, very important at that 10.1 cents mark? We will get right into that. First, you guys already know we need to be looking at the price of Bitcoin. On my channel, I always like showing you guys the price of Bitcoin because it gives us a better understanding as to where the market is currently sitting and where it's most likely headed in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, guys, something very, very interesting has taken place for the price of Bitcoin. As you guys can see, we saw, originally when the price of Bitcoin dipped down to these levels on January 25th, we saw it fall down to the support level, had a beautiful bounce back towards the upside, touched this level of resistance at the $46,160 mark, had a major rejection back down to that $34,397 level. Obviously, we did not manage to go back down to these levels, but this time around, you can see the price had a beautiful reversal right here. Everyone started getting excited. Oh my God, this is happening. The markets are moving up. Woohoo, time is here. We are about to make a recovery. But you cannot make this up, guys. The 0.50, we went back into this 0.50 zone. I'm sorry, the 38.2, and boom, another rejection. Just a quick wick above it, rejection back into the 50 fib level. But now comes a question that everyone is talking about. What is going on? What is going to happen? Are we going to see more downwards trend occur? Or are we going to finally break out of this level of resistance and actually start moving up towards the upside? So, one thing to note right now is that we are entering a weekend. Tomorrow is Saturday. If you are living in North America, if you live in Asia, it's already Saturday. And as you can see, or you may know, we do tend to see a lot of whale manipulation occur on the weekends because, the CME futures are closed. So we do tend to see a lot of manipulation occur within the price of Bitcoin along with crypto on the weekends. And, I take that price action with a grain of salt, but we could be in for more downward trend. I do want this level this time around to, play as a level of support. If this plays as a level of support and we do see a bounce back above this level of support, if we do, revisit that, because it is definitely in the books for us right now. If this does play as a level of support and we do see a bounce back towards the upside, that would be a nice indicator. But I am not getting excited until we break above this $46,269 price point that I have been mentioning on my channel for quite some time. So that is what Bitcoin is looking right now currently. So what does that mean for Vechain? As I have mentioned, if we do see continuous downwards trend occur for the price of Bitcoin over the next couple of days, which could definitely be in the books as of now, we could possibly see the price fall back down to these levels. What would the bullish indicator be is that us breaking out of the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level and actually breaking out into this zone and start heading towards this 10 cents mark. That's something we want to see happen. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about 110% from its current price levels. And, a lot of people I've been noticing, a lot of people are starting to lose a lot of hope on Vechain. And, I can't make decisions for people. People obviously make their own decisions, as I'm not the financial advisor. I just give my opinion. We look at the charts as, a family and see what's going on. It's just for, fun purposes. But, the real holders are not panicking. They're not panicking. They're scooping up. I know my Vechain family. I have some big people that are in the community that follow my channel, that are fans of my channel, and I really, really do appreciate them. And they are the ones that are not even worried about what Vechain is doing in the immediate short term. They care about the long-term picture. And I just want to give you guys one reminder. Look at this. This is a post by Vechain Foundation. It says, using Vechain toolchain CAFA, enterprise members can log key processes of food products from cultivation, processing, packaging, logistics, and retail, and more onto our blockchain, bridging trust between consumers and enterprises while ensuring high-quality food. Vechain Vet. And, if you guys don't know what CAFA is, China Animal Health and Food Safety Alliance. And, this is what I mean on a daily basis when it comes to, mentioning Vechain. I always say, Vechain price itself has not seen crazy growth over the past 1 year. We did see that beautiful boom earlier in the year of last year around April. Since then, we did see the price of Vechain had quite a bit of a drop happen within its price. But one thing that has not stopped, is the innovation for Vechain. The project itself is growing and growing at a tremendous rate, working with some of the biggest organizations around the world that I have mentioned so many times on my channel. Just to name a few, we have, Starbucks, H&M, AWS, the list goes on and on. It's working with some of the biggest organizations around the world, Walmart, China. This should really go to show where, Vechain really is headed. Obviously, we have not seen the price action play in the favor of us. But again, guys, this is cryptocurrencies. Some coins have their time, some definitely don't. But in my personal opinion, guys, I'm more than ever bullish of Vechain than I have ever been. These price actions don't affect me. I'm right now, as of now, I'm going to be quite transparent with you. I'm not picking up any more Vechain because I am, okay with what I have. But if you weren't picking up some Vechain around here and you were asking yourself, oh man, I wish I picked up some Vechain. I wish I, picked up some Vechain around the lower levels. Now is the time to be dollar cost averaging in. And, there's a very famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful. Be fearful while others are greedy. People that tend to follow this trend do tend to do quite well. Not financial advice. You guys do what works for you at the end of the day. So to conclude this video, I want Vechain's price to go back into the 78.6, break out of here, and then we will see what the next step is. Btc Dominance, on the other hand, has been pulling down a little bit, but so far it is still quite high. It's sitting at 43.2%. Obviously, we're not in talks for any altcoin season just as of now. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where could you see the price of Vechain go at the end of this year. And if I can ask you guys for one favor, that is like, comment, and subscribe. That would mean the world to me, and I would really, really appreciate your guys' support. I love you all. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Hit the subscribe button. That would mean the world to me. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.